This area is known as the Diablo Canyon Independent Spent Fuel Storage Installation and commonly referred to by its acronym ISFSI. This facility safely holds used fuel that was used to generate electricity for PG&E's customers. The facility has enough remaining room to house all of the fuel that PG&E will have used during its 40 years of licensed operations. After plant operations cease, all of the fuel currently in our spent fuel pools and reactors will eventually be moved to this facility. The Independent Spent Fuel Storage Installation operates under its own license, issued by the Nuclear Regulatory Commission. This is an interim on-site storage program. The fuel is safely stored in stainless steel vessels that are placed in steel and concrete shielding casks, which are seismically secured to the robust pad built on top of bedrock. The fuel stored here is ready to be shipped to the federal government, which by law must develop a repository site to store it. PG&E and other utilities with nuclear facilities continue to actively encourage the federal government to implement a spent fuel storage solution.